Hey crazy shoppers, it's Angie. Today we're inside the gift shop for Monsters Unchained, and we're going to show you all the cool stuff that they have. Let's get shopping. Alright, just got off the ride. It's an incredible ride. For a full review, go to Crazy Family Fun. And we're going to go over here first to these horror bags. These are amazing. I wish I could get one. And let's get a price. No way. $48 for that, guys. With the annual pass, it would be cheaper. That is amazing. That's a good price. I did not expect that. I'm not going to lie to you guys. Anyways, we're going to get a price for this pillow. $37 for this Monsters pillow. And then, so we're going to check the price for these blankets. Alright, these comfy blankets are $63. They're very soft and nice. I'm not sure if this is for sale, but it's very pretty. So we're on the Monsters picture frame for $37. And then we also have coaster sets. Oh wow, that's pretty cool. And let's see, $27 for the coaster sets. We got some Monsters cups for $29 each. $84 for this. I think it's a romper. Yeah, that's what we're gonna go with. Now over here we have some wallets. That's pretty cool. And $30 for the wallets. And there's the slim wallets too. Oh, here's what the coasters look like outside the set. They're like little plates. That's nice. Now this is pretty cool, guys. A pen holder with a Bride of Frankenstein notebook. And then a Frankenstein and a Bride of Frankenstein cup. $27 for these with a mixing spoon. Alright, so let's get a price of this stuff. This stuff is really cool. $17 for the notepad. $32 for the pen. I think it's just a holder. I don't think it's like an ink and pen. Let's just take a closer look. Yeah, I do believe it's just a pen holder. $18 for these glasses. $24 for these headbands. $95 for this denim looking jacket. A ribbon and hang tag set for $16. As well as these Monsters ornaments for $21. Oh, they're soft. Very nice. Wow. Alright guys, this is really awesome. A tree skirt. A Monsters tree skirt for $40. And it has 48-inch diameter. Wow. That's really cool. Some more ornaments for $21. And then some other ones. So it's a silver Frankenstein for $24. Going down here. I don't even know what this is. I think it's for your doors. That's what I think it's for. But anyways, it was, yeah, price again. $32. I have no idea what that is. Stocking right here for $21. $32 for this Monsters beanie. As well as $42 for this long sleeve shirt. Frankenstein bottle stopper for $21. As well as the Universal shirt for $35. This store is really cool. And I even see some action figures as well. There's some bucket hats right here. The bucket hat is $32 and it's reversible. That's what it reverses to. That's really cool. A kid's t-shirt. Let's get a price. $32. A beach towel of Dark Universe, which is really awesome. Let's get a price for you guys. Oh, all the way at the bottom. $31. Let's go to this side. $19 for these cups or mugs. Got some shot glasses right here. Wow. $34. That's really cool. Oh, a cutout shirt. No sleeves. Nice, nice. Let's get a price. $29 for that. These socks right here, large and extra large, $20. And this poster right here, that's a cool poster, $16. And this picture frame right here, $29. Dark Universe Mystery Pen Collection, $20. Dark Universe Magnet Set, $15. And the lanyards down here. Let's check it out. I don't see a price for these guys. I don't see a price, I'm sorry. Retractable wallets. Let's see if we get a price. $16. And then we got this mini bag right here for $30. We already checked that out. And that shirt out. And Victoria with the Frankenstein monster. $84. Well, $84. Gonna come right over here. They have these outfits for display, and you can actually buy them. Those sections is right over here. But we'll take a look in just a minute. Let's finish our tour right here. We got some more bucket hats for $32. We got this awesome looking Frankenstein shirt for $39. Frankenstein's Manor for $32, little bags. Frankenstein's Manor wallet for $30. And the Frankenstein Manor glasses, which is very nice, for $18. I have the sniffles today, sorry guys. Frankenstein Manor retractable wallets for $16. And as well as these, what is this? Decal sheets. Ooh, that's awesome. Let's get a price on those. $13. Button and Blade Tavern cups. Oh, there we go. This is big. Let's get a price for you. $37 for those. This awesome shirt. What's the same? No two shirts are alike. They may vary. Interesting. Interesting. $35 for that. And I can see it actually right now. All sorts of colors and different shades and stuff. Interesting. Interesting merchandise right there. Anyways, $34 for the Burning Blade Tavern hats, as well as the sleeveless shirts for $32. Walking over here to what it looks like Frankenstein's bolts you can put on yourself. $27. Oh, by the way, we've walked into the character area now. Okay. So the Van Helsing axe, Van Helsing, $29. I don't know what to call it, but it's an outfit. Let's see how much this is. It's nice and soft and light. $84 for this. The Wolfman hats. These are really cool. So it's like hard plastic. Put it over your hat, on your head. Those are pretty cool. Oh, I suppose I gotta get you guys the price, right? $32 for those. And let's go over here. Some more headbands right here. Put it up real quick. Those are for $24. This is Monster's fan right here for $24. And right here, Dracula steak, $21. Alright. Now let's check out all this cool stuff, guys. So, first we'll start with Frankenstein's monster. So, we've got this for $79. Alright. The Frankenstein light up electroids. $21 for that. The necklace for $37. This little kid's outfit, how darn cute. $69. And then for this shirt right here is $48. Moving on to the Bride of Frankenstein. Wig hats are going to be... Oh, I gotta get a better price on. What's that say, guys? I can't read that. Hold on. $30. $32 for these plushies. These two outfits. Let's get a price. $4. $69 for that one. Creature from the Black Lagoon area. This is some cute stuff. This shirt for $48. These cute bucket hats, very light, for $37. This cute kid's outfit right here. Let's get a price. $69 for that. The booties and the gloves. $24 and $29. Next we move to the Wolfman. Wolfman's kids outfit. Let's start with that, which is a really cool outfit. All the outfits going to be $69. Okay. $69. The jacket, $79. The headbands, $24. And the shirts for, the shorts for $48. And the cute boots, let's check these out. $29 for the boots. As we go to our last one, the Dracula. The kids' outfit's $69. All the rest are. So first we're going to check out the action figure right here. $48 for the Dracula action figure. Dracula's cape. Let's get a price. $84. And Dracula's medallion. $42. And then we're gonna go to the action figures right over here. There's some cool ones and some really big ones. So I'm just gonna give you a ranging price real quick. Alright, got the prices. So the small action figures are $48, while these big guys right here are $58, and so is this big guy, this big Frankenstein. Alright, we got some more stuff over here. Let's check it out. So we got glow in the dark kids jacket for $58. And we got this Dark Universe blanket for I don't know. The price is all cut off, so I have no idea. This jacket right here is also glow in the dark. It is for $69, as well as this wooden sign. Ooh. That's awesome. It does not have a price on it. $29 for these big cups, as well as $24 for these ornaments right here of the castle. Oh wow. Frankenstein's Manor pouch for $42. $32 for this Frankenstein Manor puzzle. All of these are all $32 each. Some Dracula specific merchandise. So this Dracula shirt, paint in the neck shirt for $35. This paint in the neck mug for $29. What's this? Oh, it's a flask. How funny. $23 for the flask. The hat, $31 for the hat. And this sweater for $63. And we have these small little casket Dracula purses for $48. And these backpacks, or the bags, excuse me, for $42. Wolfman specific merchandise. This Wolfman shirt for $35, while this mug is for, that's pretty cool, $28. Another flask. Okay, I see a theme in here. So the flask is probably the same amount as the other flask. Let's go get that price, because I don't see prices on those. $23. So it's safe to say it's going to be $23. And then this jacket right here, $69. All the jackets are really going to be pretty much the same price. These candles, $30. Oh, these beanies right here for $27. And this Wolfman bag for $53. Creature from the Black Lagoon is up. Start with a shirt for $35. These mugs for $28. These flasks, now these are different, for $23. That Black Lagoon hat for $34. And this shirt. The creature swimming up to grab the lady's leg for $58. Bride of Frankenstein, here we come. This shirt is $39. The mugs are $28, excuse me. The flask is $23. These hats are $36. These big pouches, excuse me, $37. On this bag right here, let's get a price. $63. And this kids jacket right here, $69. And we are at Frankenstein. So the shirt, we all know the price, $35. The mugs are gonna cost $28. The flask are, what was it, $23? Yep, $23. This one's pretty cool. These little coin purses, $24. The jacket, $74. The bucket hat, $34. And the backpacks for $63. Now we'll look into the cute merchandise of Monsters Unchained and Monsters Universal Monsters, excuse me. And this bag is for $63. These cute little guys are $27 each. These thermoses are $27. And this jacket down here is $69. They also have Monsters candy bars, 5-pack Monster bars for $20, or the other box candies for $6, which those are down here. They also have some keychains as well, and a model kit. Well guys, I showed you around. I hope you enjoyed it. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. What was your favorite merchandise? And like us on Facebook, and Crazy Family Fun on Instagram and Facebook. So remember to live life and shop. Until next time, guys.